reading certain things. Okay, they give you a certain time. What was it in Indiana? Married, one of the two. I can't remember. It was married. Because I just had somebody who wanted to learn how to do Marion, Indiana, which is Indianapolis. So I had to go through him step by step by step. Okay, so he would know exactly what to do. And he's a guy in Nevada. He does a lot of stuff in Nevada, but he only bought in Indianapolis. But he didn't know how to do tax sales. So now we have to go through that really quick to explain how to do this.
I know you're going to get to this. How do you buy a property for $50?
You buy the lien on the property. You buy the lien. You know, he's a title company, right? When you sell a property, don't you contact the tax collector?
We get what's called a title certificate from the private company. So they
Right, okay, but you have to have the title, you have to have the taxes current.
yeah, we run